Okay, so we had today for euro, for gold, it was basically the market jumped from the high that we were considering between 1970 and 1971, and the buyers took over the area and above 1975 all the way up to 1980 with extension 1984. Now, like we said on the previous analysis, the market was basically just giving us buy opportunities through the high of um, 1950. If that's the on the long, on the short term situation, the market today closed with open interest for the buyers. Okay, so the price is basically telling us that the market is holding with gold. Now, if I see the in 1 hour time frame, I have to see in the past how the market reacted on those prices. And the way I see it here, within the previous trading sessions, the market was only giving us highs. So yesterday we have the high of 1970, today we have the high of 1980, and the extension from these prices is all the way to 1983, which we already saw with gold. Okay, so as long as the market to me is only giving me highs between 1970 and 1980, I'm not going to jump on the conclusion that even though the market is buying on gold, I can go for a buy strategy. Price action will also help you out to really plan your entries based on the activity of over the past trading sessions once the market is reaching certain points. So what I see is that the buyers still holding their trades because they're coming from 1950. Those are the buyers that pushed again the price up to 1970 and 1980. But the way I see it is that I'm not going to take any risk in terms of buyers on these highs because again, it's just telling me highs. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait tomorrow to see how the market is shaping on London hours and then of course for the inflation of the United States. And if I have to consider a buy scenario, that ain't going to happen. That ain't going to happen. Like I said, 1970, 1980, it can reach 1984, it can go for 1990, and yet I see the market really collapsing from those highs, you know? So I'm not gonna get stuck on any buy strategy for gold. I keep saying that, but I cannot really tell if you can short now, if you can short today, or if you can short tomorrow. That's why I do live trading sessions. I see the market exactly before the information. So when I have to say what am I gonna do with gold, short, long, or neutral, I'd rather tell you just gotta wait. Just gotta wait until tomorrow. So I'm just gonna give you scenarios, different scenarios. But I want you to understand the fact that it's giving us highs. These levels are just giving us highs, and I do not see any certainty to go for a buy strategy. I hope that's really clear for you. That's what I talk in my book. You can go to my website again, and there's the ebook that you can get with price action only. And with price action, one more time, you're gonna be one step ahead of what's going on. And that's the beauty of all these our price action. There's always the right way to go when you understand what is the market telling you based on the orders and the flow from previous prices. And I really hope it helped you out for tomorrow.